Chime and Zelle, an unlikely duo? Ever been caught scrambling to pay a friend back for that epic pizza night? Or maybe you need to split the rent with your roommate, but they're across town. Fear not, the age of the digital wallet is here, with services like Zelle making money transfers a breeze. But what if you bank with Chime, the popular mobile banking app? Can Chime and Zelle join forces for financial fun? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into this money transfer mystery. Zelle boasts a massive network of banks and credit unions, allowing users to send and receive cash electronically with just a phone number or email address. It's fast, convenient, and seems like the perfect solution for our modern, on-the-go lives. But here's the thing, Chime isn't technically a bank. It's a financial technology company, often referred to as a fintech, that partners with established banks to offer its services. So, does this technicality throw a wrench into the Chime and Zelle party? The not-so-simple answer. Unfortunately, the answer isn't a straightforward yes or no. Here's the deal, Chime doesn't currently integrate directly with Zelle. That means you can't link your Chime account to Zelle within the Zelle app. This might sound like a roadblock, but don't fret just yet. Chime has a built-in feature called Pay Anyone that allows you to send money to pretty much anyone, Chime user or not. All you need is their phone number, email address, or even a special Chime code called a $Chime sign. Plus, Chime's Pay Anyone boasts zero transfer fees, making it a budget-friendly option. Beyond Chime Pay Anyone, exploring alternatives. While Chime Pay Anyone offers a solid solution, you might have other preferences. Maybe you and your friends all love the Zelle interface, or perhaps you simply want more options in your financial toolbox. Here are a couple of alternative routes to consider. Third-party apps, services like Venmo and Cash App allow you to link your Chime debit card as a funding source. Once connected, you can send and receive money through these platforms, potentially expanding your money transfer network beyond Chime users. Keep in mind that these apps might have their own fee structures, so be sure to check the fine print before sending that next rent payment. Patience is a virtue, the world of fintech is constantly evolving, and collaborations are always a possibility. While there's no official announcement yet, there's always a chance that Chime and Zelle might join forces in the future. Keeping an eye on updates from both companies could be a wise move, especially if direct Zelle integration is high on your wish list. The takeaway, Chime and Zelle, not quite besties, but still functional. While Chime doesn't directly connect with Zelle at this time, there are workarounds. Chime Pay Anyone offers a convenient, fee-free way to send money, and third-party apps can extend your reach if needed. Remember, the financial landscape is dynamic, so staying informed about potential future collaborations between Chime and Zelle could be beneficial. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.